So guys, good evening. So we are here in this car wash and I will do the car washing. It's our first time. No, it's my first
Your
time.
first time.
Yeah.
I will hold this. Okay, this is
Yeah.
where our car is. This is our new van that we just got. You hold on to that. Hold on to that pistol. Pull it out of there. Okay.
Oh, it's has.
Okay, now
What are those?
it's from rinsing off the. Okay, so you got this little doodad right here, and this is how you pay for it. You put these little quarters right in the side of here, and what I'm going to do is, and then you decide what do you want.
Yeah.
And we're going to put it first on high pressure soap. And so soap, you'll soap up the entire car. And then we'll get it to high pressure rinse. It will cut off the soap and it will just be water.
So $2 each.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with $2. And then you're gonna hear on here it's gonna go beep 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 beep. If you want it to keep going, you gotta throw some more quarters in it.
Okay.
But this thing right here, when you squeeze that trigger, you be ready because and you might want to put your second hand on here because there's so much pressure on there. It's like a firefighter. It's gonna just blast like crazy here. So let me get started on here. See how it's now coming out soapy? It's got that white foam on there. So get the whole thing full of foam. Think you got it covered in soap? Okay, I'm gonna flip you over to rinse. So we're gonna go over here. Right now we're on the soap, and now I'm gonna push the rinse. And now that changes it. Cutting off the soap, and now it's just high pressure water for the next 4.5 minutes. She's got 4.5 minutes to get the soap off the car. Start from the top and try to wash the soap down the car. It's on rinse. There's no more soap, just high pressure water. Start from the top and rinse downward. Kind of like taking a shower, only for a car. Apparently our new van comes with automatic lights, so on the timer it just shut the parking lights off all by itself to save the battery. I did not know that. I just found that out. So she's got about 1.5 minutes left. Okay. 45 seconds. Seconds. And you're done.
Yay.
Okay, here you go. Tell them about your experience.
Hello guys, it's nice. Moment.
There you go.
So guys, it's nice doing this. In the Philippines, if we want to conserve water, we just punas. Sweetheart moment. Invite them.
Invite them to come wash our. I'd love for somebody to come wash our car for. That'd be great. Wash my car for me.
Yeah, thank you guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. It's DJ Adventures Pratt. Thank you everyone and have a good day. Bye.